Hey Catherine, thank you for requesting my video today. Today I want to talk about elite restoration, but before we get into that, I do want to shed some light on the three different ways on how you can be found on Google. So with that, let's get started. So let's just say, for instance, that you type in water damage restoration in Fresno. Now what you will see is three different spots and where you want to be found on Google. Uh, One of the spots is the sponsored area up here, which are which you are found here with Google Ads. The second way in here you could be found is the Google Map Packet area, which is known as the Google Business Profile. 30% of your business can be acquired through here if you are in these three slots. In order to get up here, you need to optimize your business profile with photos, 5-star reviews, and also, most importantly, citations. So, third thing that you need to rank organically is in the top three positions here. Yelp, Balanced Comfort, acquires the second position. Serve Pro acquires the third. Now, the reason why Yelp is up here, a quick note, is that they are pushing it at a national level. So this is why they are on the top of the organics section when you type in water damage restoration Fresno. Now, the people that you would want to beat would be these guys here, Balanced Comfort. So, um, if you're not in any of these uh, positions, you'll be leaving money on the table, and you want your website to basically work for you because you made an investment. So, with that, let's get right to it. So, I really like on how you have your logo up here. That's really nice. I like that. It's really unique and real personal. That's a Elite Restoration by Villegas. I hope I didn't kill that. So we got restoration, drop down, mold. I really like the layout of your website. That's front and center right here. You have a clickable phone here, as well as you have your profiles here and your email here. Or excuse, yes. So you also have a customer service one here. So it looks really nice. But one thing that Google really loves and they look for is content. Now, to Google, content is king. And what Google really loves and enjoys to see is about 1,500 to 2,000 uh, keyword rich words of content. So that way, uh, your, your backlinks and everything will optimize properly uh, when they're indexing. So, but I know that's a bunch of gibberish, but in a nutshell, um, basically you have about maybe 500 words of content. I do not see any keywords embedded in your content in the front page. Excuse me, the home page. So, but your footer looks really nice. I like the layout on how you did that. So with that being said, let's take a quick look at your competitor in the area, which we discussed earlier. Water damage restoration, which is Balanced Comfort. So they have their drop downs as well here. Okay, they have a form here. They do have some keywords here, I may add, but they are not embedded in their content. So that I could say off the bat. And they have maybe 500 words of content here, just by looking at this, which is definitely not enough. So that's about all I have for content. So in a nutshell, that's what Google looks for. So let's move on to keywords and backlinks. So there is this a tool that anyone can purchase. It's called Ahrefs, and as we plug in restoreelite.com, we can see your backlink profile. So what we have here is the strength and the trust of your backlinks, and also how many keywords are going through your website. Now, um, to me, a website is an investment, absolutely. So you want to make sure to absolutely optimize that investment to the best uh, that you can and are able. So it looks like you only have 5 uh, traffic value going through your website. Now, that could definitely be optimized and definitely uh, bring you up to the top with your website the way it is. So this took a quick look at your keywords. So it says I want to point something out real quick. So it's showing that you have 55 keywords total, right? So when I pull up your keywords for Restore Elite, you have 52. Now, Ahrefs is saying 52 because 52 are the only ones that are, uh, you have 55 in your website, but only 52 of those are effective, I guess you could say. So that's kind of what that means, but it shows you the traffic and what you're getting for each keyword. Now, here's a look at your competitor. This is their backlink profile. This is their strength, uh, their trust, and also they have um, a bunch of traffic. So if say a customer to do organic search, um, that's pretty much they're getting all that traffic. So in a nutshell, about backlinking, not all backlinks are created equal as well. So I mean, a lot of these guys are probably throwing non-organics to their site. So that's the reason for these numbers not matching. So in a nutshell, I hope that this was helpful to you. But before I go, I just want to do a quick recap of how you could be found and boost your online presence. So here we have the sponsored area, as we discussed previously. We also have these Google Business Profile area. This is way number 2, and you can get up here by citations and optimizing your business profile 100%, and also the organics. As you can see, Balanced Comfort is right here. They had a lot of traffic going to their website. So with that, I hope this information is useful to you. If you happen to need a guide in your journey, feel free to contact me. My name is Joshua with Peterson SEO. My number is 505-331-7995, or you can reach me at joshua@petersonseoconsulting.com. With that, I hope the rest of your day is good to you. I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.